Hi to everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here for a generator develops 200 volts and for the generator the internal resistance is given as 100 ohms. Then find the power delivered to a load of 300 ohms. How can you find the power delivered to the load of 300 ohms? This is the problem. So from the problem, the generator voltage capacity is given as 200 volts and for the generator the internal resistance is given as 100 ohms and the load is given as, that is RL is given as 300 ohms. Now find the power delivered to the load of 300 ohms. This is the problem. Okay, but first of all we need to find the current. So current I equal to total voltage by total resistance, that means RA plus RL. So total voltage is given as 200 volts upon 100 ohms plus 300 ohms, nothing but 200 by 400, nothing but 0.5 amperes. So this is the current passing in the load. So I equal to 0.5 amperes. Now here we want the power in load resistance. So power in load resistance equal to I square into RL, that's equal to 0.5 square into 300 ohms. By simplifying this, we will get 75 watts, and this is the power delivered to the 300 ohms. So from the options, option B is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.